An E. coli is a bacteria that commonly lives in the intestines of healthy people and in animals. But if certain strands enter the human body, it can be fatal. We have some tips on how to keep you and your family safe from an E. coli bacterial infection. Those cute and cuddly animals you may see at summer fairs could carry a hidden microscopic danger that could harm you and your family. E. coli bacteria.
Yeah, very frightening.
It's found in the feces of animals or humans. Paula Silla, local health education manager for the La Crosse Health Department, says E. coli is a common bacteria in the intestinal tract of animals and humans.
And it's not a big deal if it's on your hands, but if you get it in your mouth, kids put their hands in their mouths, and then you get it in your own system, and then it can cause disease.
How do you prevent it? It's simple, really. Wash your hands consistently throughout the day, especially after the restroom or touching animals. E. coli infection can come from even eating uncooked meats, drinking unpasteurized juice, or the consumption of unwashed fruits or vegetables that may have been fertilized with E. coli infected animal waste. Caitlin Lance, agricultural educator with the UW Extension, says farmers have to provide certain health testing records in order to show animals at fairs.
We also have, a veterinarian that does a kind of vet check with animals if there is a suspicion that that animal may be sick. If it is, then they quarantine that animal.
And again, it may seem very simple, but E. coli prevention starts with you.
There's nothing like soap and running water.
Washing your hands.
Making sure that you're using good hand washing. That really is the first line of defense.
And so before you eat that fun fair food, make sure you're washing your hands after touching the animals.
Do not prepare meats and veggies on the same cutting board to avoid cross-contamination. And don't forget to wash your produce. Lindsey Ford, WXOW News 19. Health experts say alcohol gels are not as good as hand washing. It's the warm water and rapid movement of your hands rubbing together with soap that gets rid of bacteria and viruses effectively. And how long should you wash your hands? Local health officials say wash your hands while singing the ABCs.